So, here we are again. Yeah. So, with this new computer, right? The previous video was over 30 minutes long. And it took nearly 6 hours for it to upload. Really the rendering bit of it, because whenever you're uploading 4K video, you in order for it to render the more gigabytes of RAM that you have at a higher speed, the better. So I've been doing a lot of research in what will actually fit on this motherboard, different brands that the actual manufacturer of this motherboard has actually tested, right? So I don't know. I may just do two 32 gigabyte sticks of RAM instead of all four. For 4 gigabytes, for 4 sticks of 32 equaling 128 gigabytes would be right at $600 on top of everything else that's just going into this unit. So, not including cameras, monitor, keyboard, lighting, nothing else, right? Nothing else. Editing softwares, different other things that I do. So none of that even figured in. I don't know what the total is just yet. But yeah, wow. However, what I did want to let y'all aware of is I was able to set up the excuse me. I was able to get the computer running and staking for Elrond, the Elrond Max for the Maiar decks, as well as staking for Persistence, XPRT, as well as now I'm running a Guardian node again for Theta. So I set up the Guardian node. And this is my first time running the Edge node for all the Tfuel that I've already had. So, yeah. Let's see what this can do. Why not? I will say that I'm not really pleased on the Tfuel earnings. I see something in it, though. Excuse me, y'all. I see something in it to where it will disperse like on, I don't know, the at the beginning of the month or something like this. So I'm not going to be totally discouraged by just running this bit. I mean, it's substantial. Both the Tfuel that I have is substantial. Same thing with the Theta is also substantial. So it's nothing to sneeze at. So, so I'm curious what the yield will be on that, and yeah, I could have did G-Pool, but it's like, well, kind of building this anyway, but, so I'm not really sure what it is I'm going to do just yet. Am I just going to, hello, am I just going to take the Theta and the Guardian node, as well as they called it something else, not an Edge node, an Elite Edge node is what they called it. So to remove those two nodes and then just do G-Pool instead of using my own electricity and my own hardware and everything, or do I just leave this run 24/7? So I don't know just yet. I have not changed the settings and all to where it will constantly stay on without running updates and all that other stuff, right? Because that's what you have to do, so that way it won't interrupt your node. So regardless what it is, right? So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. But I just wanted to let it know, and I was able to get all those nodes up and running, and earning funds. Oh, guess something else I found. I finally found my red coin backup. So the what did they call that file? I forget. .dat, D-A-T. I found the DAT file for Redcoin. So I don't know how to. I even took it from the thumb drive where I had the backup, and I downloaded it to this computer. So that way it'll give me something else to do, but that's also another residual income project that I held quite a bit, and it has not been staking since 2019, the end of 2018. No, it was 19. No, it was 18, the end of 2018. Because that was when my father was still alive. Wow. So yeah, I don't know how to do that just yet. So, but anyway, look, quick little update. Y'all be cool. Later.